Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about how and when to use dutasteride along with tamsulosin for benign prostatic hyperplasia. Let's get started. Dutasteride and tamsulosin are used to treat benign prostatic hyperplasia, a common condition in older men that can cause problems with urination. These medications are prescribed when an enlarged prostate makes it difficult for urine to flow. And how do they work? Dutasteride reduces the size of the prostate by preventing testosterone from converting into DHT, a hormone that makes the prostate grow. On the other hand, tamsulosin relaxes the muscles in the prostate and bladder, which makes it easier to urinate. To take these medications correctly, it is very important to follow your doctor's instruction. Normally, you start with a dose of 5 milligrams of dutasteride and 0.4 milligrams of tamsulosin per day. It is important to take them at the same time every day, preferably after eating. Like all medications, dutasteride and tamsulosin can have side effects. Some of the most common are dizziness, problems with ejaculation, and headache. If you have any serious side effects, talk to your doctor immediately. In summary, the combination of dutasteride and tamsulosin can be very effective in treating benign prostatic hyperplasia, as long as they are used correctly and under medical supervision. Don't forget to follow your doctor's recommendations and tell them about any side effects you have. Thanks for watching this video. Take care and see you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.